हेलो बच्चों, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट चैप्टर नंबर 4 which is linear equation in two variable. You should remember that during the discussion of polynomial chapter I have discussed the linear expression. The polynomial was a specific polynomial that was linear, and that was like 2x plus 3, 4x minus 5, etc. And for the linear, I have told you if the power of the variable is 1, then it is called a linear, and power of the variable, maximum power of the variable is 2, then it would be quadratic. Then we have to restrict ourselves for the linear equation. It does mean we will discuss only the expression of where variable power is 1 only. These are called the linear expression. If you write this like 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, this will become linear equation. Linear equation in the sense when you will solve this for x, you will get certain value. If you will solve for this for x, this will become 2x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 3 upon 2. It does mean value of x minus 3 by 2 is the solution of this linear equation. This can be plotted on the number line. Only single value is here. Then on the number line you can draw the value. There would be 1.0 starting point, and on the left negative values lie. Then somewhere it would be minus 3 by 2. Our topic is linear equation in two variables. Two variable means there would, like x, there would be another variable y, and there must be relation between x and y. The relation expressing the relation expressing x and y in certain manner is called the linear equation in two variable. Let us take the example. Suppose 2x plus y is equal to 4. This is a relation between x and y given by the equation. This is a linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable. Since the equation is containing two variables, there would be values of x and y which will satisfy the equation, and those values can be obtained like if you put x is equal to 0, I am assuming x is equal to 0, then you can solve it. 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 4, this will become 0, y is equal to 4. And if you will put x is equal to 1, 2 into 1 plus y is equal to 4, then y is equal to 4 minus, this will become 4 minus 2, y is equal to 2. In this manner, when x was 0, y was 4. When x is 1, y is 2. These are the solutions of this linear equation. Means if you will substitute the value of x and y in this equation, you will get the left and right side satisfied. Satisfied means calculation will be the same on both the sides. It is the digital value only, means calculation of this value, this side will give you the 4. Then there will be various solutions for x and y, and these two solutions will be plotted on the graph paper, means in the two dimensions. In the previous chapter, coordinate geometry, we have discussed the measurement of two quantities simultaneously. That was like you have drawn the x-axis and y-axis, and this expression solution will be plotted here. x0 y4 means x would be 0, y4 would be on this line 1 2 3 4 somewhere here, like this. In the same manner 1 comma 2, x is 1, y is 2, like this. On the graph it could be plotted properly, but for the sake of understanding I am telling you. In the exercise 4.1, you have to express some language questions into the this format, algebraic format. Suppose there may be any relation. One is having, suppose a person A is having money twice of B. This relation up, then let us suppose X is having money X, Y is having money, B is having money Y. Then X having money twice of Y means value of X will be equal to 2Y. This is the relation between X and Y, and this is somewhat like this, not in that manner written, but this is the relation, and this will become a linear equation. Other equations may be sum of the money of X and Y is equal to 100. Then you can write X plus Y is equal to 100. There are a lot of situations could be where the given situation or condition can be plotted into a linear expression or linear equation in the algebraic manner. And one thing you should understand, there is a standard format of linear equation. A standard form of linear equation, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. First term would be x. Ax means certain multiplier of x, 2x, 3x like, and then a term of y, then constant term, then equal to 0. Equation I have taken here is written 2x plus y is equal to 4. If you want to write this expression in this manner, means in its standard format, it would be written as 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. And this equation can be written as x minus 2y is equal to 0. Because constant term is not existing here, then it would not be written like this. These are the standard formation of the given. Means given equation can be converted into the standard format, and any condition could be formed into the linear equation. This is the topic to be covered in 4.1, and this process of plotting the linear equation graph is in the next exercises. So for exercise 4.1, this is the homework today. Exercise 4.1. You solve this exercise. Okay, thank you.